We won't be in here long. I'm sure it's just a normal raid. If you need the toilet's at the back, but let's try and hold on, because I'm sure we won't be down here too long. If you listen carefully, can you hear just in the distance? They're coming closer, but don't worry, they're just flying over. They'll not be near us, so everything will be okay. Don't panic. They're far away. Don't worry about anything. If you're worried about any of your friends or family members, they'll all be safe at our raid shelter. Remember, all your teachers are like me. They're our raid wardens, and they're working all over Brighton, and other people are working all over Brighton to keep your family members safe. And they're in shelters like these. If you think how thick the walls are, how deep they are, that was very close, but don't worry. Everything is okay. Remember what I said about the thickness of walls and how your family are safe and secure. Please don't panic. If you listen carefully, I think it was just one. That's okay, it's past. Don't panic. Well done, everyone. I'm really, really proud of you. You're totally safe.
I would like us all to recognise the loyalty to duty of the staff here at Downs Junior School following 6 long years of war. Hours on end have been spent crowded into these cold, damp trenches, but all the teachers remained cheerful and helpful so that the children were happy and unafraid.